Hello and welcome on our channel. Today I will show you how you can record your screen in your Android device. So in the first step we have to unlock our device and slide down to show this menu bar. Now expand it and go to the right. Here you should have a screen mirror option, but if you don't have it, click here and look for the screen record. Now just hold your finger and slide it to the app. Now go back and choose this option. Now you can decide to record the audio and or the show touches on the screen. If you are ready, click start, and how you can see, now we are recording everything what is going on the screen. And that's it. To stop it, just slide again and click stop. Now this video is in the gallery app. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.